What is going on YouTube? We're back with another video. This morning we were training at Revolution Gymnastics. Here's what happened.
They kind of think I might go.
Oh! Woo! Yes, hey boy, good. That's Sean's first double back off the track ever.
First ever double back done by a dog.
I'm so proud of you. Alright, now do it like that, eh? Woo! Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to be the only one not landing.
What the hell?
Yes.
Oh. That's it. I'm going, I'm leaving, I can't do it. That is the end of the session, guys. Oh my god. And right now, I'm actually going to pick up Aaron from the train station. Aaron's in town! Okay, let's go to the shop. So Aaron's pretty much just here for a couple of days and we're going to be making mad videos all week. Because you know what the videos are like when Aaron's here. We always get up to some weird shit. How long are you here, Aaron?
I don't even know. I don't have like a bus booked for the way back, so
we're gonna make some mad videos, all right? But first we gotta go to Asta. We're gonna make a delicious drink. Oh. Okay, so what we're doing now, we went to Asda and we bought some supplies. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the most disgusting milkshake anyone has ever seen. Anyone has ever tried, anyone ever seen. We got chicken. We got Nando sauce, extra hot. Nando's Puri hot rub. We got some anchovies. And who knows what else. We're just gonna whack a bunch of stuff and see what happens. This is what we need. It's gonna be one tasty treat.
What's it cooking? Oh, what's it cooking? What's it cooking? What's it cooking? It's cooking with Kyle.
And we're back.
two of those.
It's got the bone. I don't know if it's gonna work.
There we go.
A full egg. Now this. Oh my god.
Oh, that's rank.
Subscribe.
Put it in.
We're gonna add the entire thing.
That's plenty. Is that the whole thing? Oh my god. Next up we got the anchovies.
All the fish juice. You can really see the separation. We got the hot sauce, we got the chicken, we got the anchovies, and there's an egg around here. It's beautiful, Bab.
This is where the Nando's milkshake part comes into play.
That's good, that'll mellow it out.
There's only one last thing.
What's left?
The rub.
What are you doing? That's not part of it. That's a lot of rub. Dun, 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 dun. Don't you think he looks like Arya Stark?
I have no name.
Kobe! I smell the smell of something smelly. Oh, I smell the fish. Ew.
Oh.
Is it that bad?
Oh no! I honestly can't smell it without gagging.
I never ever throw up on command. That was the closest I've ever been to just throwing up on command.
Your eyes are red and watery.
It's bad, and I'm not even just joking. It's really bad.
I feel like I might have throw up and I'm not even drinking it.
Come on! What the f***? This is how you get demonetized on YouTube.
I've never done anything so disgusting in my life.
It's so bad. Stop, it's not worth it. It's over. It's over. Alright guys, with that, I'm gonna wrap up the video from today. Weird one, I know. Bit of training, bit of this, bit of that, bit of throwing up everywhere. Subscribe if you like this sort of content, and check back tomorrow for another video. No! It's like you're wearing a little sweater vest made out of poop.
And the lightning comes streaming in my arms.